Sir, if you didn't already, state and spell your full name.
Adam Stoyek, Adamstoyek.
Thank you, sir. And how are you employed?
I'm a detective of the Oakland County Sheriff's Office and assigned to the city of Pontiac.
Okay. How long have you been a police officer?
12 years, right around 12 years.
And how long have you been a detective?
Right around 4 years.
Okay. You said you're assigned to Pontiac?
Yeah, the city of Pontiac substation.
Okay. Now, I want to direct your attention to November the 30th, 2021. Do you remember that day?
I do.
Okay, were you working?
I was.
We heard testimony yesterday regarding a search warrant at 112 East in Oxford, the Crumbley family home. Did you participate in that search warrant?
I did.
Okay. Now, if you could tell us, please, what happens when a house is secured for a search warrant?
Yeah, so securing a house prior to getting the search warrant, you're going to go initially and just kind of do an initial sweep of the house to make sure no one's inside the house, no one's injured inside of the house, and then after that you're just going to secure the house until you get the authorization from the judge, just for like preservation of evidence and make sure that if there is evidence inside the house that it's not tampered with.
Okay, and did you do that in this case?
I did.
And who else was with you?
Detective McPherson, Detective Steele, Detective Peschke, Deputy Zajac, Deputy Mozak, and Prep Brandon was there too.
From the ATF?
Correct.
Okay. Now, when you were sent to that location, did you know what would be found there?
No.
Okay. And when were you assigned with this task?
After we initially searched the school, my supervisor at the time was Sergeant Hicks. He gathered a few of us up and said to go to 112 East Street and secure the residence.
Okay. So you responded to the school first, and then you were tasked with securing the residence at 112 East in Oxford?
Correct.
Okay. I'm going to show you what's been admitted as People's 270. Sir, is this a photograph? This photograph fairly accurately depicts the address at 112 East?
It does.
Okay. Describe the layout for us of the home.
Yeah, so it's when you walk in here, that's the front of the residence that faces East Street. You walk in to your immediate right, there's a living room area with a couch. There was a TV. You walk into the left, it was like the dining room. There was a table, chairs. Through that, there was a kitchen. Off the kitchen, there was 2 bedrooms, one on the right, one on the left, a bathroom.
I'm going to show you what's been admitted as well as 205. Is this a sketch of the home?
Correct.
Okay. And so we have a front entrance at the top of the diagram here?
Correct.
Okay. Can you just walk us through here?
Yeah, so where the sheriff's emblem sign is, there is the front of the residence. You walk in, this would be on the left of this picture here is the living room. There's some couches, there's a TV stand, a table. To the right there of that was the dining room. There's like a kitchen table, some chairs. I think there was some workout equipment in there. Past that, there's a little opening right there which led to the kitchen, refrigerator island, some cabinets. So right there to the left would be the entrance. There's a little hallway to 2 bedrooms. There's 1 bedroom. That's north bedroom. There's a bathroom in between that. And then across the hallway there was labeled middle bedroom. Was the bedrooms. And then you come out of there. There was a little hallway. There was an opening to like the landing that led to the basement, the foyer. And then it was what was the master bedroom was immediately past that.
Okay. Now, prior to participating in the search of this home, did you learn which bedrooms were associated with the shooter?
I did.
Which ones?
So in this picture here, you'd see north bedroom was one of the shooter's bedrooms, and then directly across the hallway, which is labeled middle bedroom there, was also the shooter's bedroom.
Okay, so his rooms were, what we have labeled here is north bedroom and then middle bedroom. Both are adjacent to the bathroom, and middle bedroom is adjacent to the master bedroom. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. Now tell us, when you first entered the home to secure it for a search warrant, did you see anything of note?
Yeah, so obviously you're kind of just doing the search, but you're obviously still, if you see things, you take a mental note of what you see. And when I walked into what I was described as the master bedroom, there was an open 6-hour gun box on the bed, and next to that was an empty box of 9mm ammunition on the bed as well.
Did you touch that?
I did not, no.
Okay. So when you see something like that, what do you do?
You just kind of take a mental note of it, and obviously once you get the authorization from the judge and the search warrant, you're going to go search the house, and my partner and I were tasked with searching that bedroom, so we were aware before we came in.
So after the home was secured and you confirmed that, well, first of all, when it was secured, did you encounter either James or Jennifer Crumbley?
I did. I had a brief encounter with James Crumbley.
Okay, is he in court today?
He is.
Can you please point to and describe something he's wearing?
He's wearing the suit with the blue shirt and the blue tie.
Your Honor, with the record reflect identification defendant.
The record is so reflect.
Tell us where you encountered James Crumbley at when you arrived on scene.
When I initially got there, he was secured in, I don't remember who, Deputy Mozak or Deputy Zajak's patrol vehicle.
Okay. Now, if an admitted video of a patrol video indicated 2:46 p.m. arrival on November the 30th, 2021, does that seem right to you?
Yes,
Okay. Did you speak with Mr. Crumbley?
I did.
Okay. Did you speak with him on scene there or when he was transported to the substation?
So I had a brief conversation with him prior, or at the substation, really nothing of note. He was taken back to the residence, and that's where I had more of a, not in depth, but more of a conversation with him outside of the residence.
Okay. So I'm going to show you and play what's been admitted as People's 300. This is the in-car video that you referenced. Just raise the volume. Thank you.
Have a seat right now. You give them.
Why is she in handcuffs?
I don't know.
Can you take the handcuffs off from me, please?
Carefully hold yourself. Okay, plug in first. Okay. It's not going to be long for those handcuffs. I promise.
Why am I in the cuffs though?
Until we can figure out everything.
This hurts. Like it really hurts.
What's that?
Why am I in your cuffs?
I don't know. I don't know. I asked him the same fucking thing.
They didn't do anything. I'm getting claustrophobic. I'm getting claustrophobic.
Honey, don't freak out in front of the house. This is going to be a lot better if you don't make this situation.
Why are they here? Why are they here? Okay, can you push my glasses on my nose, please? Put jacket on my lips, please. I have my fucking phone. Why are I'm so confused?
Why are you in fucking handcuffs?
Your phone here?
I set it down and then I have a cop pointing a gun at me.
Why are they in our house? I'm so confused.
We're dealing with this shit. We're already dealing with shit. Why have we got to deal with this?